Hello, good morning everybody. I am Margo. Today I have to tell about my assignment, CA1 assignment from the subject name is Micro and Optical Communication. My topic is direction couplers and power dividers, how they work. Introduction to direction couplers and power dividers. These devices are essential components in radio frequency and micro systems for signal management. They enable the splitting or combining of signals with minimum loss and interference. Understanding their operation, it helps in designing efficient communication and measurement systems. It is the introduction of the direction couplers and power devices. What are direction couplers? Direction couplers are passive devices. They have resistors that split an input signal into two output ports with a known ratio. They are designed to direct the power flow in a specific direction, minimizing reverse coupling. They are commonly used for signal sampling, testing, and isolation in radio frequency circuits. How do direction coupler works? They operate based on the principles of electromagnetic coupling between transmission lines. The device's geometry and coupling mechanisms determine the coupling factor and directivity. The main port receives the input signal while the coupled port extracts a small portion and the isolated port suppresses reflected signals. Types of directional couplers. Directional couplers come in various configurations such as waveguide, microstrip, and straight line types. Each type is suited for different frequency ranges and applications depending on size and performance. The choice depends on factors like insertion loss, coupling level, directivity, and power handling. What are power dividers? Power dividers are devices that split an input signal in two or more output signals with equal or specified power levels. They are used to distribute signals to multiple devices or antennas in RF systems. Power dividers are designed to minimize reflections and insertion loss across the split signals. How do power dividers work? They operate by dividing the input powers equally or according to a predetermined ratio among the output powers. The internal structure ensures that the sum of output powers equals the input power minus losses. The typically use hybrid circuits such as Wilks or P-junction conversions for effective splitting. Types of power dividers. Common types include Wilson dividers, P-junction, and resistive splitters. Wilson dividers provide isolation between output ports and are suitable for high power applications. The selection depends on factors like bandwidth, insertion loss, and isolation requirements. These are the type of power dividers. Comparing directional couplers and power dividers. Directional couplers are primarily used for sampling and measurement, while power dividers are for signal distribution. Both devices rely on electromagnetic coupling but differ in their design goals and performance characteristics. Understanding their differences is key to selecting the right component for specific RF applications. Practical applications of directional coupler and power divider. Directional couplers are used in antenna feed systems, signal testing, and power monitoring. Power dividers are essential in antenna arrays, broadcasting in radio frequency signal distribution networks. Both devices contribute to the efficiency and reliability of modern communication systems. These are the practical applications of power dividers and conclusion. Directional couplers are more power and power dividers are fundamental components in radio frequency and microwave engineering. Their operation relies on electromagnetic principles to control signal flow and distribution. Proper understanding and selection of these devices enhance system performance and measurement accuracy. Thank you.